Whoa, check out this butter bolete.
Ooh, what's under this shrunk? Let's take a look. Ooh, wow. Oh my god, it's a butter bolete. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. What a beautiful, edible, delicious bolete. Good butter. Beautiful butter bolete. Whoa, look at that butter bolete. Wow. It's a big chunky boy. Damn. Oh, that's kind of gooey. Looks like the bugs got to it. But hopefully there's other ones around there still good. So this bolete has some gross buggy stuff, but I'm going to try cutting it up and see if I can salvage some edible parts. Now, the base doesn't look too bad, but this is really gooey. Ooh, gross. Oh, it's full of maggots. Yuck. Well, I'm gonna just slice off a good amount of the cap here. No, well, the cap actually looks okay. So there's some gross middle part here, where all the maggots are. Let's see if I can excise this. Oh my god, look at all that disco rice. Yuck. Out of here, guys. My bolete, not yours. Wow, in a day or two, this whole thing would have been absolute mush because of those maggots. But it might be okay. I think there's still some salvageable parts on here. Not too bad. It feels pretty solid. Here's one of the few situations where I'm actually going to use a knife to pick a bolete, because I can see two little ones down here, and I don't want to disrupt their growth, but I do want to take this nice big one. It sounds real solid. So I'm going to use my knife to carefully cut this off at the base and leave these other two intact to keep growing. Ooh, wow, look at that. Amazing reticulation, that little bit of webbing on the stem. Super bright yellow pores that stain blue very quickly. This is a Butyriboletus or butter bolete growing here in the fall in California. Ooh, look at that blue. That is so pretty. Wow. I'll leave those little guys to keep growing. Ooh, here's a massive butter that was just massacred by a squirrel or something. It's pretty soggy. Oh yeah. Ugh, gross. Ew. I'll just leave that be. I could tell ahead of time that wasn't going to be good, and it was just nasty. So that's what a not good bolete looks like. Perfect. Oh my goodness, not a single bug mark. Gotta love that. Big old butter bolete. Booyah. Absolutely perfect cross section. Those yellow pores that start staining blue.